Today is finally the day that we put wheels on this car. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to receive these wheels. The delivery man just texted me saying he's on the way. He's probably about 20-30 minutes out right now. So we're gonna prepare the car. We're gonna put these on the car immediately. I got work, but I'm gonna be late. I don't care. I'm putting them on. Q50 is in the garage right now, so what we're gonna have to do, kind of jack up the car and everything, just so I can take off the spacers, take everything off. But my thing is, bro, where am I gonna put these wheels? Where am I gonna put them? Okay, this whole garage is just it's messy, but like, I just don't realize I don't have a space. I don't know where to put them. I might have to like just stack them up here or something like that, but bro, I didn't even think about that. That's crazy. The car been sitting in the garage for like 2-3 days, but geez, I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting better at my detailing skills. I got the right products, I got everything, man. So yeah, enough for all that talking. Let's start up the car and pull it out. Ready for that cold start? Hey, y'all see how the exhaust tips is like sitting a little higher now and stuff? You feel me? Alright, it's here. Let's cut it off and see what the fuck. Alright, I got it off. Let's see. Y'all ready for the wheel review? Aw, damn. Alright, I got everything off the pallet, as y'all can see. Are you ready for what we got? Okay. We finally got Conseil tandems. Ooh, Q50 spec Conseil tandems. Oh my goodness, y'all. I know, bro. It's a little basic. But bro, these are like, bro, it flows so well with the car. Only because this car doesn't really have a lot of sharp edges and like really sharp lines. So it's more like a roundish, you know what I'm saying, car. And with these wheels are like roundish as well. So it kind of flows really good and they look very, very well with this car. Now, enough of all the talking, man. Let's go ahead and throw these on the whip. I also ended up getting some Nitto some Nitto NT, some freaking tire. Cost over a lot of money, but that's besides the point, bro. We got the wheels, we got everything. Fitment industry did say inspect the tires before putting them on, or not the tires, the wheels before putting them on, because once you put them on, they can't give you a refund anymore. So I'm gonna do that off camera, see if everything's all good, and yeah. These tires are about done anyways, bro. I barely got any tread. Bro, I was doing too much mountain runs, brother. Come on. Heavy, bro. Oh, shoot. Yo, alright, we finna drop the car right now, right? Finna see if I'm cooked in the back. Okay, I don't think so, but remember, the car is, those other wheels are slightly smaller. These have a way bigger sidewall. I like thick boy tires, bro. All right, we go see right now. Which one should I do? Go slowly. Please don't hit fenders, bro. Please. It's the back that we gotta worry for. I think the front should be fine. Front's down. Oh, we're actually pretty straight. Oh my goodness, I think the wheels turned a little bit. Yeah, it is. But yo, that fitment. I gotta take the spacer off. I gotta take the, oh shit. Yo, I gotta take the spacer off. I definitely gonna take. I'm taking the spacer off right now. All right, so I got the 2.5 mil in the front now. Took off the spacer in the back. Let's see how it sits. Let's go slowly. Make sure we don't. Gotta wash the back too, bro. We're gonna look at the back first. There we go. That's the fitment that we need, bro. Yeah, it's like, it's fitted, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's very fitted. It's probably rubbing a little bit too. Nah, I might have to raise it up a little bit higher. But, jeez, bro. And in the fronts, I could probably put the 5 mil on the front too. A little bit, go lower in the front a little bit. But look at that fit. Maybe when I get I'm gonna get a, what's it called first though, alignment. I might have to just use a little bit camber on this one, bro. Dang, bro. It might, I ain't gonna lie, this should definitely go be rubbing for sure though. So I can see though. Yeah, I might have to get some camber bolts or something. All right, so we got everything on. Got the spacer in the front. Got everything all good, dandy, nice and fine. So let's see, bro. Oh my goodness, yo. Yeah, this is the height I need to go, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This height right here, I'm gonna try to raise it up tomorrow morning. But jeez, brother. Yo, it's really fitted, bro. No cap. It's kind of poking out just a little bit. It's kind of, you get me? That's why I low-key need to get some camera bolts so it doesn't poke out like that. But man, bro, it looks good. Let me let y'all get like a good look of the new wheels on the Q50, bro. They look so good. They really do. They really look good. Got the nice thick boy tires on the back. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if it was the Chinese tires that was on here that came on the car when I bought it, but jeez, bro. This looks crazy, bro. Yeah, as you can see, like this little hump right here is making a weight shift over to this side. So it should be good. I don't think we're gonna be rubbing. All right, I'm gonna put all this stuff back up and everything. And then I gotta go to work. I'm late, I already told my boss. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next clip. All right, so we driving right now, right? Just put the wheels on. Driving wise, like just regular driving, it doesn't rev. As y'all can hear, it's not revving. But any kind of dip, bro, it sounds horrible. I gotta raise the car immediately. Oh my God, bro. Any kind of dip. Watch, I go here. There's a small little dip coming off the on-ramp, so. Yeah, I see, bro. Oh my goodness, yo, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad.